Want to start streaming on YouTube from your PS5 but think you need a capture card or a gaming PC? The good news is that you can go live directly from your PS5 in just a few minutes using built-in streaming features. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to stream on YouTube from your PS5, how to set everything up correctly, and a few common issues that can stop your stream from going live. If this guide helps you out, be sure to like the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more helpful gaming and tech tutorials. Before you start, make sure live streaming is enabled on your YouTube channel. If your channel is new, YouTube may require account verification before live streaming becomes available. If this step isn't completed, your PS5 may not allow you to start a broadcast even if your account is connected correctly. To begin, go to the Settings menu on your PS5 by selecting the gear icon in the top right corner of the home screen. Open Users and Accounts, then select Linked Services. Scroll down and choose YouTube. Select Link Account and sign in with the Google account connected to the YouTube channel you want to stream from. Follow the on-screen instructions, approve the permissions, and complete the setup. Once finished, return to Linked Services and make sure YouTube appears as a connected account. If it does, you're ready to start streaming. Next, launch the game you want to broadcast. Once the game is running, press the Create button on your controller. This is the small button located near the top left side of the touchpad. When the Create menu opens, select Broadcast. If another streaming platform appears by default, select Change Service and choose YouTube. If YouTube doesn't appear in the list, double-check that your account is linked correctly. If necessary, unlink and relink your YouTube account, then restart the PS5 and try again. Now it's time to set up your stream. Enter a title that clearly tells viewers what you're playing. A good title can help attract more viewers than a generic one. You can also add a short description if you'd like. For privacy settings, choose Public if you want viewers to discover your stream through YouTube search and recommendations. Before going live, open Broadcast Options and review your settings. If you're using a microphone, make sure it's enabled and working properly. If you're playing with friends in a party chat, you can choose whether to include party audio in the stream. Keep in mind that other players may need to allow their voices to be shared before viewers can hear them. Another important setting is video quality. If your internet connection is strong, you can use higher quality settings for a sharper stream. However, if you notice lag, buffering, or dropped frames, lowering the quality can improve stability. A stable upload speed is just as important as download speed when streaming. For most people, 720p at 60 frames per second or 1080p at 30 frames per second provides an excellent balance between quality and performance. Quick note, I've added links to some of my recommended streaming accessories in the description below. Some of these may be affiliate links, which help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Before you hit go live, take a few seconds to make sure your microphone isn't muted. This is one of the most common mistakes new streamers make and can save you from broadcasting with no commentary. Once everything looks good, select Go Live. The PS5 will connect to YouTube and start the broadcast. After a few moments, you should see a confirmation message showing that you're now live. At that point, viewers can find and join your stream. If you run into problems starting the broadcast, first make sure live streaming is enabled on your YouTube channel. Then verify that your YouTube account is still linked correctly in the PS5 settings and check that your internet connection is stable. In many cases, relinking the account fixes broadcasting issues. When you're ready to end the stream, press the Create button, select Broadcast, and choose Stop Broadcast. That's it for this video on how to stream on YouTube from your PS5. I hope this guide helped you get set up and ready to go live. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more gaming and tech tutorials. And if you start your first stream after watching this video, let me know in the comments what game you're streaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.